Okay. Amaya and Daddy will make our own. Can I have some?
Yeah, you can use that.
How do you make yours like that?
They're clear.
How?
Clear. You use clear glue instead of and then you don't add shaving foam, you don't add foam soap, you don't add lotion. It's just glue and borax so that
Really?
so they can clear.
Yes.
Oh, it's not recording.
Here.
Okay. Let's put some glue in first, Amaya. Okay.
If you are scared that you won't make a good slime, you can do small amounts at a time. So just in case you made a
Wait,
mistake.
Amaya. So we put in all-purpose glue. Where's the cover? Because that might spill.
Okay. Where's the cover?
And then we put Gillette.
Yes.
Okay. You wanna make it really, Amaya, really foamy.
That's a lot.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, it's falling. Why you can?
Wait. And then you have to mix it. Daddy will give it to you later, okay?
Okay. And this too.
Okay, you put some of that, Amaya. Go.
How you open?
Okay, you put. And you put some lotion, right, Amaya?
Borax. No.
Okay. Like this. How much lotion?
Okay.
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 Okay, I mix it.
Okay, you mix it, Amaya.
What?
Good girl.
Now we have to put loads and loads and loads. Did you watch that?
I don't watch her.
And then now we put borax, right?
I know her.
Oh, no, you're right, Amaya. We put soap.
Remember the Instagram guy?
Wait. Let me mix.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The one that got deleted.
Wait. Let me mix properly.
I should watch her. She has the best.
Solai. Come say.
I